Now I'm going to teach you how to make a combat aircraft. A very simple combat aircraft. Connect the big H with the big wheel. 2 pieces at the front and 2 pieces on the side, and 2 pieces at the back, and then we need 3 pieces here. At the end of the 3 piece, interlock another big H horizontally like this. This is a simplified combat aircraft. Once we know how the thing look like, we will assemble to resemble the object we want. Add another round tube at the front. Does it look like a combat aircraft? You can make your own variation. This is a type of aircraft. Now I'm gonna show you a more difficult aircraft. Let's stick in 2 small H's on each side of the big H. Just like how we made our push scooter earlier. Remember to connect a big A at both ends of those small H's. Like this. We need to make one more. Another half of it. Just like this. Connect the big H with 2 small H's and then connected them with big A's. This is the wing and this one is the body. We need to put small A's into the space. Okay. Stick 2 small H's into the body and stick the wing on top of it. It's an airplane. We need to make its propellers. Use a small wheel as its axis and add vents on it. You can add 3 vents or 2 vents or 3 vents. Just connect them evenly. Stick a round tube into the wheel and then stick 2 small H's into the tube here. Connect the propeller at the very front. This is the propeller. And then connect the propeller at the very front and lock it with a big A at the bottom. Like this. The airplane is taking off now. However, if it's gonna land, we need wheels. Same method. We stick 2 small A's placed back to back into the round tube. And then connect 2 small wheels on each side of the tube. Now we can lock the wheel into this part of the airplane. Okay, with wheels the airplane is able to land. Last step is to make the end of the airplane, which is the rear fin. Connect a small A on each side of the small H and then stick it at the end of the body. Doesn't it look splendid? What if you want to enhance its functions? We can modify a little bit. I know you like a combat aircraft, so we can stick a small H into a tube. Let's make 2 of them like this. Then stick each one at each side of the wings. Now, a propeller-driven airplane becomes a combat aircraft. You can use your imagination. Next, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple helicopter. It only requires 10 pieces of Lego. First, place 2 big A's back to back neatly. Then stick 2 small H's into this spot. And then push them in. Like this. Remember not to block the square space because it is required for its propeller. Okay, connect small H's with a small wheel. You can connect 2, 3 or 6 pieces as long as they are connected evenly and movable. And then stick a round tube into the wheel. This is a propeller. Then you stick it into the square space. Last 2 pieces of Lego. Connect the small H with a square tube, then add it to the end. Like this. A simple helicopter is done. With 10 pieces of Lego, you get yourself an aircraft. So many toys. Now, it's robot time. I'm gonna show you to make a simple robot. You need to know how people look like. People have legs. We have 2 legs. So let's make 2 legs first. Then we will start adding up. We will get the body. We will have arms and hands. When you know how an object looks like, you can try to assemble them to see if it looks like the object. We have a lot of items, so we can do like this. Robot may want to hold a knife, a sword, or a shield. So you can use your imagination and creativity. Like this, shield. I'm done. Voila. Does it look like a robot? Use your imagination and creativity. I'm done for now. Bye.